CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear parking aid, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power outlet. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.